Welcome back to Pree Dis. I'm Chrissy. Up next, we meet Fire One Bad all the way from Angel Spanish Town.
Up next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Shoes on my bleed, I'm a chains on my drip, drip, diamonds a drip. Shoes on my bleed, I'm a chains on my drip, 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 diamonds a drip. Green Gucci, Bulgari, you go boss it, I kick daddy. Green Gucci, Bulgari, you go boss it, I kick daddy. Smell slick, girl get on it. High school and a drip on me. One, bad, Fire One Bad attacking, and I tell us, 300K, that's a pocket money. Need a money counter for cut my money. IQ Music, so you know the real name on the bird paper, QN Campbell, understand? Spanish Town, born at Tamsupen, grew at Winterspen, reside in Angels right now, you understand? Been to schools, Greendale Basic School, Christian Primary, then Ozemata Technical High School, you know, from there we decide to say, alright, we have to step up and pay a certain way because we have to do it to our breadwinner, so. We start to work from there and then we find back in farm music, as I say, I've been alright from a all time, so music actually find me. So right now, I do the music right now. So my father still is a Rasta man and him give me the name Fire. And realize the One Bad part right now, the whole One Bad entertainment team where I work with right now still. So so comes the Fire. When I tell people say my name Fire, them oftentimes look for me and oh, you like them, I say Fire. Relax, they oh, you know Ras. So I say alright. Fire One Body, understand? And from I say Fire One Body, people them start to work with it, so we just make it work for us, you understand? 24 kgs way on me, fly like the birds and the bees in the trees. Louis VTs and my Versace jeans, color red shoes, it a bleed from my feet. The marks if you scam, I will flip on the gums, thing sinking, rich for my feet and strong. August 2018. First time I actually voice a track and I write here, so show me the right now. IQ Music. There's some voice the first song me and Pumpa, a song called Club Banger. You understand? So we've been alright from long time still, you know. But we always say we write like books and movies and them things that we never know see our music. But see me have to big up Blacks and GSC because them ever say you're fire, you know say you're bad. You need fear the music. But I say a time tell still and see they say now I do it. I'm going to change the game of dancehall, I change the face of dancehall away. Right now everybody going to start look to Spanish Town, Winterspen. Remember me tell you, Pree Dis. Fire One Bad, my day for the fam. Well active dog, my dig it for the gang. Out and about with the Smith and Wesson. One badness, I grave in a man. So me plan to change the game now. Right now I've come with some authentic sound, authentic dancehall. Because you get to realize now everybody I try got this hip-hop infused thing. Trap all them thing they know. People them want raw chat dancehall for what it is. So right now that me and the team I do right now for change the game of dancehall right now. Bring back dancehall to what it was. Quite a few singles recorded, but not release all of them as yet. Understand? I have about 4 tracks out there right now officially recorded. Same place IQ Music we work with. Same way One Bad Entertainment. We latest release, one we release after USD, which is song I play right now. That would be Wicked and thing. I didn't them M-Town Music production that same way. So we've been a record, we've been a do it, but the time is now for the people them actually see who is Fire One Bad. We girl get on it. High school and a drip on me. 24 kgs way on me. Fly like the birds and the bees in the trees. Louis VTs and my Versace jeans. Color red shoes, it a bleed from my feet. The marks if you scam, I will flip on the gums, thing sinking, rich for my feet and strong. New style, new flow, creativity. Lyrics will actually make sense. So that me bring to it right now a message. Because my music, I don't like the regular and the typical songs them you hear right now. My type of music, my music will resonate with the mind and the soul, have an everlasting effect. The single I drop right now, Wicked and thing, but the song at the moment really and truly a USD. That song they actually give Fire looking where me honestly never expect. People are say, yo, Fire, you're bad youth. Long time I do this, who I write a song them actually shock and make them know say no man, you know say and me actually pen all of my song them. Every song where you hear Fire sing and me pen them. Musically I hope to achieve. Say for example, 5 years from now, Fire One Bad should become a household name where it's in every house, every family, everybody can rock to a song from Fire One Bad. So even if I say you're a gangster, you have a song that you can bust blank to. Some people are even Christians where they have certain songs where they can still vibe to. You understand? Anybody can work with thing and I create a legendary status there in a dancehall because a man live for a moment, but a legend never dies. Upcoming projects now, the single right now, when this drop, I know everything after it a history. It's a song I work on right now with IQ Music Records, you know. A song called True Friend. When you stay tuned for that one, because that one they got cause problem. IQ, big up yourself. Big girl get on it. High school and a drip on me. 24K chase way on me. Fly like the birds and the bees in the trees. Louis VTs and my Versace jeans. Color red shoes, it a bleed on my feet.
All the way from Hawaii, here's this week's music video premiere from singer Hyrie.
No bees, no honey. You and mommy tell me I was gonna be fine when we get it for free. Down to the T, tell me I was gonna be alright. Put down the gun now, be sensible. Peace and good nature, we make it grow. Weed out the bad vibes, it's time to grow. Who she goes, who she goes. You still the boss girl, no fancy clothes. Working that hustle, cause that's what you know. Weed out the bad vibes, it's time to grow. Who she goes, who she goes. Ask me why I smoke the Cali, I tell you why it make I feel better. Burning up the scene, clarity, I see how everyone could feel better. They say it's growing pains, but the painkillers ain't gonna make it feel better. You better get up off your knees, yeah, I'm begging you, darling, please. For me, tell me I was gonna be fine when we get it for free. Down to the T, tell me I was gonna be alright. Put down the gun now, be sensible. Peace and good nature will make it grow. Weed out the bad vibes, it's time to roll. Who she goes, who she goes. You still the boss girl, no fancy clothes. Working that hustle, cause that's what you know. Weed out the bad vibes, it's time to roll. Who she goes, who she goes. She goes. She goes.
There's more on this week's show when we return. Stay tuned.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.